Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be attempting to curl my hair with straws. I've never tried this before. I've seen it on YouTube and I want to see if it will work in my hair since my hair is quite long and quite thick. So basically all you need is a bunch of straws. So I have tons here. I also have a bottle with water in it. And then Christine picked these up for me. It's just a bunch of little elastics. This pack has small, medium, large. You really only need small or mediums, but if I do run out, then I have the larges. But basically, that's all you'll be needing. So I'll show you quickly how you do this up here, and then I'll do the rest sped up because I am anticipating that it will take quite a long time to finish my entire head. And basically the end result is supposed to be super curly hair, and that is what I'm hoping will happen, and I'm not really sure if it will happen. So let's get right into this video, test this method out and see if it will actually work. So I'm going to show you how to do the first one, and then I'm going to do the rest off camera, or not off camera, sped up, just so you get an idea of how to do it. So basically, just going to take a section of hair. By the way, you may also need a brush. I haven't really done my hair today, so it's kind of knotty. So just going to brush it, spray it with my water, and get it like not soaking wet, just kind of like a little moist. Alright, let's try that again. Again, I have never done this before. I am trying to do it. Okay, so after about like 10 minutes, I've finally figured out how to twist it and tie it and everything. It's kind of in my face. So basically, I just folded up the bottom straw. So after I twisted it around, I folded up the bottom piece of the straw, tied a rubber band around it, and then folded this piece down and tied it against my head. So this is not really a tutorial on how to do this because this took me about like 10 minutes to figure out. So I'm just going to do the rest sped up. If you do want to do this, check out an actual tutorial because this is not a tutorial. This is me struggling to do the first one and have so many more to do. So keep watching and I will show you the rest of my head. So I'm done one side of my head, and this has taken me about an hour. So I'm going to move on to my other side of my head off camera, and I will show you the end result. Okay, so I am officially done. I look crazy. My arms are absolutely killing me. And yeah, so now I'm going to sleep on these, and I am hoping that this turns out good because it took so long to do. So I'm going to sleep on these somehow because they already feel very uncomfortable. But I'll figure it out, and then tomorrow I will take them out on camera and show you what they look like. Okay, so it's about 9:30. I woke up about an hour ago and I kind of just let them sit a little longer. So I'm going to start taking them out. This part is going to be way easier than putting them in. But anyways, I'll show you the easiest way to take them out. So with the little flap of straw that is folded up, just pull it down. There we go. And then the top one. So I got both elastics out, and now all you have to do is hold the straw out. Whoa. And there's the curl. Okay, so I'm gonna do the rest and we'll see how this turned out. There we go. They are all out. And now we're just gonna have to separate them all and make it look a bit better. Okay, so basically you just take one and you're gonna just split it in half. Like so. There we go. So basically the point of this video was to see if the straw method would work on my hair, and I think it's safe to say that it did. So there we go. I look very kind of crazy. And thanks for watching. If you try out this method, tell me how it works in your hair. And yeah, we'll see you guys next time. And make sure you like this video, make sure you are subscribed to our channel, and yeah, see you in our next video. Bye.